Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Ella. What is your name?
My name is Sagar. Where are you from, Ella?
I'm from Ireland. Where are you from?
I'm from India.
India, lovely. And how old are you?
My old is 22.
Sorry?
22.
22. Perfect. And how long have you been learning English for?
Yes, I have been learning English that in the childhood, that school days is also.
Since childhood. Perfect. Great. And have you ever traveled to Ireland?
No, no. Before I have not traveled for other area.
Sorry?
Before I have not to travel for abroad area.
Oh, okay. So tell me about yourself.
Yes, for that I'm to working at teaching field and I teach chemistry subject in private school. And right now that I'm going now also that in my college, that school, and that's why I'm doing here to joining for improving my English as well my vocabulary, accent, and these other things is also like for to speaking the and increasing for my confidence level. That's why I'm to joining in here Cambly.
Excellent. Is this your first experience with Cambly?
Yes, yes. I have been using for Cambly app that is before 2 3 months, and it's very good experience. I think that's to new thing to learning in here accent. Other is also that's it's very good.
Yeah.
Please
Excellent.
tell me about for something my English that is where to I am to develop my English.
Sorry?
Where to my develop my English, which is the sentences in the error and queries.
Are you asking what your English is like?
Yes, yes.
Oh, it's good. Very, very good.
Okay, and where to I am to improve English in the sentences where accent. What is that?
Sorry?
In the my accent, supposed to when I speak the front person, that some accent is not well, and how to develop that accent and improve this thing all.
So just with practice.
Oh, just practice.
Just
Okay,
practice. Yeah, exactly. But you're very good. Don't worry.
okay, okay.
Don't put
I
yourself under too much pressure.
yes, yes. Because in here no environment to speaking of any that other friends do not speaking in here English, and that's why in here to best app for to joining in here to speaking and improve our English.
Yeah. It's important to practice and to keep talking, or else you might forget it.
Yes, yes.
So do you have a family?
Yes, yes, I have family, I live with my family. Please tell me something about for yourself, Ella.
Um, my name is Ella. I am 24 years old. I am from Ireland. I am a nurse.
Okay,
Um, I have two sisters and my parents. I have no brothers.
okay,
I am the middle child. I have one sister older than me and one sister younger.
okay, nice. And please tell me something that island that is to what specific for nature's area. A specific name is also. That please tell
About
me.
my hometown, is it?
Yes, yes.
So I live in a beautiful area in Ireland. There is lots of beaches. There's seven beaches near me.
Seven
My
beaches.
seven, yeah.
Is
And
amazing.
yes, my dad is a farmer, so we have lots of cows and grass and land. And it's really, really beautiful.
Okay, I think have a nice day because the remaining only for 3 seconds.
You too. Bye.